for the following areas in New York, Brooklyn, southern Queens, and southern Nassau. Wind advisory in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. this evening. Locations: Kings, southern Queens, and southern Nassau counties in New York. Winds: sustained southerly winds around 30 miles per hour, with gusts of 35 to 40 miles per hour. Timing: this afternoon and early evening. Impacts: some minor wind damage is possible. In addition, driving may be difficult at times, especially for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Here is the latest weather map discussion.